Do you have oily scalp, dry scalp, combination hair, or are experiencing hair loss? Do you know hair oil is the perfect treatment? Adding moisture to your scalp helps strengthen hair and maintain a healthy scalp. You can apply hair oil after washing your hair or at night before bedtime. Here's how. Pour a few drops of hair oil onto your palms and massage into your scalp. Slowly move your fingers to the ends of your hair, rubbing the oil into each strand. Leave on for a few hours or overnight, then rinse well with shampoo. Make sure not to over-oil your hair. A little goes a long way. Lavender hair oil is great for damaged hair and can help repair split ends. Use Senja hair oil if you have dry hair. It helps fight dandruff and can strengthen follicles. Well-Kiss hair oil helps restore your hair's natural health and shine. Make it part of your hair care routine. For more information, visit utamaspice.com.